Hi again. I will be showing you how to multiply and divide mixed numbers. And here are the examples. So the first one is multiplication 3 1/8 times 2 1/5. So when you're multiplying mixed numbers, the first thing you need to do is change them to improper fractions. How do we do that? So 3 1/8, you always write the 8 on the bottom. That doesn't change. But what you write on the top is basically you multiply 3 times 8, you get 24. Then you add the top, which is the 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. And that's what you have on top right here. And you do the same thing to the other one. 5 will still be 5 on the bottom, but the top, you go 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. And that's what you have right there. Now, at this stage, you start reducing. So when you're reducing, if you could reduce within the same fraction, do so. But if you can't, then look diagonally like this. So I see 5 goes into itself once and goes into 25 5 times. And since we cannot reduce anymore, then we just multiply the 5 into the 11. So that gives me 55. And 8 times 1 gives me 8. If you want to write the answer in a mixed number, then you go 55 divided by 8. How many times does 8 go into 55? I know it doesn't go into it evenly, but how many times? So 7 times 8 is 56. So we cannot do that. So then therefore it's 6. But 6 times 8 is 48. And then if you go 55 minus 48, it gives you 7. So 7 is the remainder. So that will give you 6 and 7/8 then. Okay. How about the division? So the division right here, we change again to improper fractions. So 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 19. So that's 19 over 4 divided by, as I said, you know, the bottom stays the same. So you just write your 8 and then you go 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 7 is 47. Now, when you're dividing, you cannot divide. You have to change it to multiplication when you're doing fractions. And this becomes 19 over 4 times. You flip. When you change division to multiplication, you flip the divisor. So this becomes 8 over 47. Now, we start reducing. So 4 goes into itself once and goes into 8 twice. 19 and 47, nothing goes into 19 and 47 evenly. So that's as far as it could go. And therefore now, you just multiply tops together. 2 times 19 gives you 38. And the bottom will be 47 times 1, which is 47. And that's it. That's how you multiply and divide mixed numbers. Hey, thanks for watching. Please support this channel, subscribe, and hit that like button. Watch my latest videos. Take care. Bye-bye.